The Puranas used personages with apt names and roles as divinities to depict the various fields, forces and energies in play before, during and after the process of creation. In the Indian pantheon of such divinities, on the top are the Trinity, they being Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva for their respective roles of creation, sustenance and dissolution. There is also Narayana, a primordial divinity who is usually depicted as lying supine on a bed of snake in the cosmic waters known as Kshirosagar.
What is this metaphor of Narayana lying in these waters? Who is this Narayana?
Etymologically, when we look at the name Narayana, we have two components to it. One is Naraha and the other is Ayana. Naraha means waters and Ayana is one who is resting in. So Narayana is one who is at rest in these waters.
That is why Narayana is shown symbolically as reclining and residing in cosmic waters. It is from these cosmic waters that the universe, the forces of nature and the divinities emanate from.
In the scientific world today, the process of the Big Bang or the process of creation is explained using the model called the Standard Model. This has been devised using experiments and observations about us, about the stars, about galaxies and the cosmic rays that come down to the earth from the cosmos. The Standard Model permits going back in time to the moment when the universe began, namely the moment of the Big Bang. The frontiers of science and research have been able to give us hints of the state of the universe as it existed 14 billion years ago, at an unimaginably small fraction of time after the Big Bang, when all matter was in the form of a primordial soup. The present understanding is that the universe works on the basis of four fundamental forces: electromagnetism, strong force, weak force and gravity, and together they hold the planets in their place. They make the sun and the stars shine every day and every night. In the primordial soup, which is a sea of quarks and gluons, these fundamental forces came into play. The Standard Model postulates before this point in time, there were no distinct forces, rather all forces were rolled into one. All the constituent particles were deconfined in this primordial soup. What does that mean? It means that they were moving freely without the action of any force upon them.
What a wonderful convergence of thought here between Narayana and the primordial soup.